Ti no so ebeba nai pepepe kadli jidie enso ye de betoa so e de ama na ye wo Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo ana Dr. Mabucha odine Bowo Doctor ye obstetrician gynecologist wo Kolebu Aban ayaresabia wabaha pen uhwe nkoma ye ne Dr. D ye nenso waya gyne die one ye man mu ye funu no mu ade an wo hwe tinane kwan abefa so enya wo baby de also ye de ni kwan sa wo ye na Dr. Felix Abaifa Bowo aba anmre ya ye doctor eba bedi hu komo fo abo sedano ema DBS roofing sheet Mr. wo dan ne moso ne bedi mu a gese unya DBS for enchensen ye won colors ahodo ni nyina bi ti se gudan no so na wo kire na wo hwe no from afar hu say edan na efe na akono empa said the color no torn net here na sa pepepe ewia be bonso dem aso de condition enso na won so ni nyina no secret ne se DBS for chensen papa ne bi na wato no hwehwe wo mo enkran ni kumase wo mo ewo ho enkran Hospinters Road wo hu DBS for dine e ben papa ye restaurant no for 0543286637 0543286637 Eileen Madake ya chiamo nyumrei about time oba from 0 to 18 years the new papa quality cotton papa de Eileen Madake for and American for the amawo bora ho o pedodo atu na so akoton a Eileen Madake ayekrado wa wo ped de siesie wo ma ho a Eileen Madake wo bibia e won kra ye de siesie wo mo ho so wo mo bag ye de wo mo hye kire say ye yi wardrobe toy shoes dresses bibia man memma diapers ni nuane Eileen Madake wo makola any old UT bank no ene hwe ni mu hu Eileen adwuma form de mo sonko fi say ya hye da twatade e de ama wo mo tu ko ba bia no bi so Eileen Madake no wo mo hye the same dress at wo mo bo enti for number 0549 178 137 0549 178 137 Susie Heba for a day CB women capsules no so aba Bema Joshua what yaw Mr. Onya CB men capsules ni bi memene ni kwa so wo Joshua ne mu twemienu ayo center for gu sisim ade no no Onya CB men capsules ni bi memene a obadwunso freely yemfa rubber bi an show bemum nti Mr. Hu science bi sa ade a CB men capsules na wo hia CB women capsules no so na eje maye ma ne emeje points wo dam no ade a oba wo to ho titim ho sa ma ho nyina ye kokro ko Mr. Onya CB women capsules no mebeko sent enya papa firi ho ba CB women capsules wono no ma eno ano no Susie Heba for na akofa ba pharmacy and chemical shops ne bi wom for 0247 111 671 0247 111 671 Credit Care Maternity Home so boy empa Mrs. Sewa Major and ring ye chia strong konti sabre de ya crowd free sabre kosisi no nkono ebebo no Nyinsen ni awo said medical akana ne ye hwe kwan a wo pese wo fa fura de wo so ye de ni kwan say wo ye so hu ehu hia papa obo anani abrepe ba pa so niema bi a wo ye wo nipadua ni mu a wo say enkoyi so hu by the time ye be wie no wo hunu de wo so ye ene ne eni kwan say Oye, edin ba kono a afia mankwa tamaklo. Show on Facebook Live. Adom 106.3. Doctor, enyumrei yemwajo.
Yo mejoso.
Yada se papa pa ho so aye fara. Adwuma ne de mobo. Meda se doctor yada se papa pa ne de doctor. Ya se ma da pono no so ye say ye prepare se ye benya baby. Afi no bi asiso a waware o peba. Dear na was ye no komo ene ye bedi ya some di kan e pesi ehunu ye wo perfect age bi e was obade fafuru ye wo enfie bi a was obade fafuru
so to start with I mean chia with your phone I mean say this program even though Nyinsen ya wo no ye papa nom ne ye nua member mi na so hu be nya se wo so metie na almost afabida to much ya boa omoye no ana omo enuama no ene ye mema no de nyame no mo frɛ pa say de mema no kra frɛsen ma no kra ti ye boye mema na ba so omo ya de pa All right, good. So, can say preparations that we be answer na wa. Me from try me say enye obi a obeho for the first time pay, and then obi here say prepare before so.
But we can person me hu age. Ya wo age bia or prepare. I was say what the only say oh age where we read there. Or prepare so be fair.
Yes, usually you start at age 18. So after 18 onwards, no, you are okay to say with my finance and not with me Awoo. But below that, then there are issues. But after 18, you are allowed to, even by law, you are allowed to.
So
yes, say worry. By 18, you're allowed to marry. Now, yeah, my question by 18, they say the Tiana say, almost say by 18, so be with me, anything, definitely.
Okay. And then young woman say, yeah, car, man, ya what drink say with the 18th, and your walk on you, many a while will you, if you send your better, sir. So, me and may one dear, and son a waffle for a waffle. Yes, I can say, Tina to Montreal, baby, and your bogum, and sway any work for me, Quabra near Dumo Yarno. Tina was any funny and walk. Nemum, dear, what dear? We're doing penny fear so yen a Juma beer, a crown by my bed in Meda Society in a straw. Exactly. Aha, 1 year no more Casano. They will may Mauma will be a me jam crowning. So, would you know near Cassa? Dog in Tianre, young fear. You will near any beer or be or Tessano. I also dear de prepare your funeral. So, hence, why you are general quadia? Say anything or so. Oh, we're doing a film.
I'll start with you say, if it be a way be a preparation, okay. Even say we fishing or bed, my crowd bed preparation and son of harbor. We took kind of bed preparation. In the same vein, say, but so funny saying, I couldn't to our they say the same way no year preparation for the pregnancy, no. Okay. In medical terms, you be a friend of pre-conception care. Conception here to conceive, like say, fire for no, and not pre-conception means before conception. Before we before you from a friend of pre-conception period. And that period here period that all day a show say oh we be okay and sana Nyinsen no aba. Now it will be it falls under that. Now we say about food aspects no in particular. Yes, but we say about in food no. A band of food na as part of the assessment area for doing the pre-conception or your nutritional assessment. Or doctor show be assessment say we doing a demo etiseng and I say to say blood level HB at and I say weight to say we underweight and I say we overweight and our weight for normal and no be boama with me decide say oh yeah underweight and now you malnourished then there are some particular foods I say would but most importantly your micronutrient to say iodine advice say obi I say would the iodated salt because ube fire funi oban so be train o iodine bi to be here enough iodine in your system, then also calcium. This whole food ordinary so I say calcium it me a womb. And I feel just vegetables and have fruits. So you enough protein in your diet. Okay. It's basically it's all about say ubedi a balanced diet, if I should put it that way. Say it involves all the food nutrients and they say udi. But like I said, no, to choose say be a way here and away here, but depend on who individual no. So even so you overweight for instance your dietitian bet you so when they say would dear with your control weight before you even get pregnant and I say oh you're malnourished so and now you're underweight and so your food choices will have for that particular person.
Okay.
But in all, no, you just need to take a balanced diet.
It is a beer, obi e wo fie se beer wa ware for wa hwa beer 1 year ho ma plan so after 1 year no you be see e be wo and I be faithful. Nti de ya hwa ye hu ye age na ye de abewura ye duane we mu so fole ho de me ti fia ana de na meye meko hospital ana me wo fie no meye bibi wo fie ana nka wa advice pa say.
Yes, exactly. Say before ube fire for so prepare. Into your so-called hospital now yes pre-conception care. Okay. Now in Pempi, no, I mean all over the world, not only Ghana pay. Almost half of the people Nyinsen no, they don't plan them.
No,
to how or experiments is bad until test or positive. More than half. Okay. Nyinsen I'm on plan the crown. They also plan the crown pono. or planning only nikunu pen planning and only the partner pen planning only the doctor planning or more mutan cause say or more pair one or no the boko near share because you share for one to na more for one share other particulars account. So be a worry be a year has come up so funny say the best is about who gynecologist or at where scrub who is any general practitioner for what you call preconception care, which is a way of preparing you for the pregnancy. It means to be BI who be fine. I only say I'll be you go to the pregnancy very well, no for but now why fine or so I fine. In the side nipa I will describe it so okuhuni doctor. Okay, so we perceive me fire from the next 1 month, the next 2 months, the next 3 months. Now obecho and then myself.
Into who son and Kawasan no.
Exactly, everybody. Not just
your pepper.
Yes, until be our be our for and I so be worry. And I said what worry what about what mean opposite third one before the pregnancy pepper or sinker who gynecologist or at West Christ so to who at least a doctor now or yes and few investigations be amount no or the close so for now so at this point because of some problem to know but check can solve this problem and sana and I say when be so fine then no more the green light na
okay
what you mean after but like I said no it doesn't happen. Yeah.
Kra na ho enya wari wie ya ne say opi having gate na bi enti
yes
yeah yem konko a enti bia wo beka say e bia ya yem planning ti na ya na e bia sa ya can say be effect be no ni ade be ba no hwe no so e be factor.
Yes, definitely. You see, so be our own plan if you don't plan you are likely to fail. So not all of them do because let me add that obi call for preconception care but still obenya some problems, yes. But most invariably no say call for this kind of care then in your be or why bit me see no kwan bit my brain as ansana with me Nyinsen into eboa pa but enye all in all say because my call for preconception care and I'm a call me doctor ansana me Nyinsen no say me Nyinsen is a problem about that means doctor na me no it's not like that but you when you be or why it me see no kwan we it me boa e brain ase and sana when you say the Nyinsen and how be brace e be ba cry when you how cry how no enye as much as say obi a one call.
Now we dey enti kra na sa adwene ni yetiri mu.
One awareness. I think say most of the population no omunya aware say there's even a thing like that. We say you know say oh say every year be a check up. So now people are trying to do that. But be a nkobe nim say before being say so ko doctor answer. Just a few people and own him. That is one. And then the other thing is even at the facilities they don't provide a service. Until acquire one antenatal care or ubana only my so kwase because I both way any baby a okwa also maybe for preconception case so ko hu sa nipa we no just okwa maybe a ko hu doctor na waka so we don't have a structure in place at the hospital side so exactly good and any policy any from Ministry of Finance and Service or policy on preconception care say be nipa na ba even this test man all we have is what is in the books but in some jurisdiction or more policy or policy guidelines almost follow critically say or be bad for this purpose so yeah. And one of the things people are not aware say there's something like that and even the few who go no call hospitals so be able to then or no be our name say there's something like that you understand so it's both from the patient aspect and from the facility aspect so and also a problem
you the ones who do free kolebu dey say Ghana ya ne chiro so na kolebu na ne last hour ya deba ti ho so kra mu ni bi
like I said there's no to say policy and I said designated place you can say into you say waba na e bia o ka so
problem
yes na waba they know doctor now he will take you through those things exactly but say me kind no say you could be say antenatal and so this room is for antenatal you know alcohol
but you need
preconception something like that is not there
enya bibisa nke beboa ho
ebeboa create awareness so before baby at least for a year say at least we go home doctor now or show not only the woman let me add this say man so say only or partner and they go someone so first your partner there it's also call for some aspect of the test and answer investigation but most of the times they are obana so to be very good say or something like that
but ya hwe we num ni ade yemre duro mu so On say no munro bia so bia na wa ye ne plans bi so person of fafro e bia wo no maduro bia sure say nye nro bia so na ne Nyinsen nom ne ade ko ba medication so a obi o plan sa no so ye ne say.
Yes, but medication is very critical to the extent that, like I said, I can from the beginning, from the onset of pregnancy, the symptoms, onya of onya malaria. You see, most of the changes, to malaria do, and I could be said too little of malaria, but names on him. Do not go to malaria do no okay. Now some of these malaria drugs and yes, safe for pregnancy at that time. Okay, not only malaria, could be any other medication because of phyllis or I know if you are drugstore and I know to na trauma. And I say be a nipa no yare be I 190 or fair do be. Common one year epilepsy. So be epilepsy. A dread epilepsy, most of them no. Often early pregnancy stage hard dream power most of the epileptic drugs and even psychotic drugs I say be an dream kind of cry no more fano most of them no and very advisable to use during the time nipa no or epilepsy into or the hydrosu for the epilepsy no onim say or Nyinsen so now okosofa a drone so by end of the day no now we nya side effects for the baby you understand to a band there it's very important a lot of medications are who here so befa especially first 3 months and the first trimester and a very critical period of the baby's development. I will be here say so far saying do na be a team jai and I say best sana ma na bibi ansana into be our call for preconception no nim say onyem class na okuso fa do no so we do know the those people were on for a condition now so say they were okofa because oyare Phyllis or no okofa no they are very dangerous.
Yanko ye Facebook live Adom 106.3 oba ya de passe or diasepa education ya de me na dog was about 2 months old baby or toilet in every 3 days. Na so na ntesa but see sa every 3 days be a toilet.
2-month-old baby. I think it's outside the discussion. But
and yeah, outside, but on say we no.
Yes.
Be to me the question.
I don't get also a toilet every 3 days.
Going to toilet in every 3 days, but it wasn't like that.
So be a toilet once every 3 days. Yeah, so can you be brace?
My 2-month-old baby. But we go one chimney, say be a toilet in pen 4 days, be there, but say be milk no near.
So I think if she can resend it and then explain it to her and share it. At the part, I'll buy at the part sending a year near tears. Yes, I Doctor bet to me a year no ye a day our mount. Nyinsen ya war, Jumadiana Utie Wadrom 106.3 FM. Utie Bins war Cape 93.3 FM war Cape Coast and Afe OFM war Boise 107.7. Nina Wamwafa Facebook Live on say Adom 106.3. Majoin channel ye free as na ye can kind of amount. Ye Dr. Felix Abeifa Buwo ya ye obstetrician gynecologist war Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Dog. And then come on so Shannon so say ye didn't come more bra wa ya wa dwene so be fa afro Dr. Ma ye hunu sem kapa de obo trimo pono ano wonya adwene bi sa no obedi kan akọ hospital nenso o say the whole world half yem plan hwe no an say nyanya green light no a yem konkon na ebogum be wi ache hu sunsun so buburuja dog yen hwe psychological way so say bia obi person of fefro so ohia psychologist bia obetumi de na fam because obi wo ho a Nyinsen timi ma obi ahunza ohun bibi sada antino ne life ne na bra bokra to miss yeah exactly
and also ye hia psychologist bia ono so obetumi aboayen.
Yes, exactly. As part of the whole preconception care, your psychological assessment and also psychosocial assessment, but and more so for Obia, you offer your phone for the first time. So that's the first experience on fire your phone that to name say the city. when you say offer from so from the beginning we some symptoms this morning sickness nausea vomiting bia we some symptoms she's not used to those systems in the basana some of them very disturbed you want to be encouragement and I so want to me and also into those people during this time no you take the person through say this is what you are going to go through now on find to know this is what's going to happen even throughout the whole pregnancy even labor ube taking through labor say if you go into labor say that
classes
yes exactly it's part of the preconception care say so all person Nyinsen and so go through or may try as psycho so this is how it is and be a and I say problems are these are the common problems are obetimi unya problems so these are the solutions that are there for you then say bia say unya problems are then that's the end of the word say unya mbia but the problems are there but so that way encourage you so even though I'll be going through some issues with him so then crana doctor promising say unya problems down bra until boama etimi psycho very well
say nani nyina ye oba ya de pa dia ba say once every 3 days the okasa ne ba no ko once every 3 days and akwa no ko toilet
yes if it's normal toilet say it's not constipated say very hard say normal 2 months is tools be semi solid akra I say I say maybe say if it's like that that is their normal unless akwa constipated be I say strainy so now or training now or bread then that yes or chim in that case now we say a child is constipated or be here but if stools no one stools near normal and also on chim so or be soon because I don't know yes adults crowd constipated you know how it feels now
2 months
so on examine stools if the stools are fine I say there's no blood in it and yet diarrhea and yet very hard so I won't say chronic blood then that's fine otherwise uncle doctor
Nyinsen ya wo dwumadie na wutie no Awoo Adom 106.3 FM yedi nkomo ede afa sa wo befa fro process de also ye de ni kwan sa wo ye no yedi eho enkomo ye bia yan phone lines na bia bibi kire wadwen fabra na wo hwe on Facebook nso a wo de brayen ya bekenkan ede ama o medi afia mankwa tamaklo aboafo no nso edoso CB men CB women capsules wo mo ebo ye chidom pa Elaine mother care for and a tongue kwada from 0 to 18 months and new amanti say ope uma when ye me be free ni tri kwakana say aduane bibia mudia na uko Elaine mother care sanso and a DBS roofing sheet papa nyabi ebo dan no so wo mo ebo ye chidom da ye de Nyinsen any award dwumadie ebre wo dog yen hwe ya hwe medication nom ne ade obo wa bia onya nyim ye ononom niema fine gu ni nipadua mu wononom so ono de on planning or said ye work ye nyina ye di ho for on planning hwe no no sa niema na no so ye bi akọ nom cigarette mai na ebi mu crash sen mema no kra no niema baba so bi so ho eni pa bi sa no so be dey because on call hospital bi ankoje afutu bia
good so ebano these social issues and I say things like alcohol and tobacco or even to the extent some maybe and those but some people take cocaine just for the purpose that they want it for. Now those ones outright no during the time I person when you say or even during the pregnancy period if you say alcohol to you be or not even once a month I say once a week so far as almost person for your phone I say we die. And now smoking so it's not allowed because all this effect will alcohol no okay so the kind beginning here very critical at the time a baby no organs no air for me into all these things no smoking for instance odum cigarette nicotine carbon monoxide it has some other chemicals it me affect alcohol no to be alcohol because kuna hitiu na o ha koleya so nim se bia alcohol bia o no me time na Nyinsen na ma boniti yes because it affecting brain development no nti okosukwa onya de busia dia
research hwenkwa o mabon no
now you can trace back because say o ma me no no say na say
but do mean cho no as all dey come am me so na say be ma no so enunum bi no ne oba ni hie no de
oh no no ma the effect bit ma have ne on ne sperm analysis be an because of bit me a low sperm count na be na so far as sperm na here juma ewie de
na do odi gusu na insane cigarette ni ade wo mu no enya effect.
Yes, for cigarette no alcohol no there so far as I mean no Nyinsen no so papa no mo nsa it doesn't have any effect on the mother directly. If you are indirect causes be on almost no obo ma mean that's different. But cigarette smoking so far as you couldn't there only know the same room until you have an indirect smoker and even though you want now this one more channel smoking na ho also watch me say no so similar effect say the one or no until say Ghana there might be brain no cigarette even though there are few ones no but so kunu bia then so no so ojai so until me jai kwa na onko share bush no obi na oba no now no there then also most likely be inhale smoke ni bit
affect
exactly into smoking alcohol illicit drugs all those things and ideally so jai before you say when you say no jai so jai before to me
because I feel person offer fruit also jai I would jai bear for how many months and son who say oh alcohol ni smoke ni free system ni mo ntiaja o start year juma na akra no ho son
ideally so ultimate say smoking for instance ultimate jai smoking for like even 6 months or getting to a year before is good na alcohol so the same thing anytime with me is the best of the most important thing is say offer close to the time when you say it say a month less than a month it's not very good.
Okay, Emmanuel Lapia said nani agi show no ho pa o tie yen free oboase pampaso I will bus stop Edmond Fashion and Curtains Plaza oboase yeda si masa wutie na Georgina Cranche Japan Dr. Unim no se bra beifa wa so Georgina Cranche Japan
okay.
Yes na obako so nidin na menye show teaser cancel money o see yeda reta ba ko pe mankesim obo adwuma papa yeda se munya so manya kwan na mo hwe yen live wo Facebook Nyinsen ni awo obewo afa ho afa oba radio reality show yede bro kwase da nwumra bia 8 to 9 p.m. aha na yedi nkomo nti se wo pe questions bia fa Nyinsen ene na awo akora na ba bibia mu a odo ye nyim free ha wate na tie bi ya bebo ye papa boafo ya daroma ene bo ye chidom yankwaje won krato no ye bape ebeto aso
Charlie, I buy my MTN Ghana shares some more share.
How kata me? Na me ihe MTN Ghana shares e ko. Onuya, hwe. Matomi MTN Ghana shares ni bi wate.
Novio, nye ha ma planye MTN shares hey.
Yowa, aboki. Na say MTN Ghana shares na.
We all bought our MTN Ghana shares.
So MTN Ghana shares ene nenya wo chefa. E won kunimdi a ekoso wo Ghana's #1 network dimu. MTN Ghana share offer ye e baso through 29th May 31st July 2018. To MTN Ghana shares share bia boy 75 pesos pay. Ubetuma to shares here every 10. Eye edu aircraft. Edu nyina boy 7 cedis 50 pesos.
Press star 170 hash. Na select the option 7. Na fast to tow shares no ewo momo so. And now ubetumi atow online so ewo mtnGhanaShares.com. And now call MTN in krapata bia ewo manyimu. IC Securities Ghana Limited. And now banks ahudro ye esisi ho ewo manyimu. Licensed stockbrokers omni Ghana Stock Exchange ye juma. Ubetumi ato MTN Ghana shares bi wo ho. Ana se wo pedwumedie hu nkrata ni bia ehwa na ubenye bi wo.
Yesra wo kan krata no mu ye ana kope obi a wakwadare ewo shares dwumedie ni mu no kan mu nkyere wo ye ansa na wo de wo nsa ahya ase everywhere you go.
Mr. and Mrs. The mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church said them who sit them here. Then we are beyond what we call according to our church.
Hey, Pastor. If we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules. What try no? Any job be fie pa.
Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpem we ye. Eno me dwun so mu yale. Eno oba no so na ho kika na wo fom no. Eno na yase a aya na ye ne ya na fichi krobe mu no. CB women's capsules abeyi ni nyina free so.
Maya ka mesi mi da dem nti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nkwan. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man madam say apefo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra wo ni fie dwumienu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 7 71. After 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadu so feel. Hey, you also.
Hey, K. Na sana mini uti me bo metri modern say.
Oh, Debbie.
Inti sa niama pa wo Eileen mother care na odi asie mini. Na eye ma ho keka kura ne se. Wo efia pemfo koka mofra infisha du asia. Wo san ye wholesale and retailing. Mi kodu Eileen mother care mani sutwa me say yira. Wo baby carriers, baby stand, baby wardrobe, baby phone tare asoroto. Wo tricycles, cotton bag impa wo di mofra so baby wo ho. Baby toys, baby coats, baby bags papa bia tang betimi de siesie wo ho apie. Bedsheets papa bi, diapers ahoro and a baby foods. Ebema mofra na nyim prom. Mo echi ne yira kwan. Wo mokola opposite UT Bank and a old white chap on Tempe. Metropole Lane. Eileen Mother Care. Fra 0549 178 137.
What day no kure. Where the fatame. Na mami fa we nka ho. Na wa mbo me charge e wo ho nso. Eileen Mother Care. SI was Sprinters Road. Pima filling station hope. Same wholesale price. And ayedema. Fra honom nso e was 0561 349044.
Eileen Mother Care. Home of pregnant women and baby products.
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. The Mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church of the Muhusitamu here. Then we'll be on the Wabaka according to our church.
Hey, Pastor, if we say me kunu fa mermaid do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma dear CB women's capsules. What I know? Any job be free pa.
Praise God. CB men's capsules. A best time in enemy Jews from Yalia, and no banners now we can't never form no. And I ask ya, I am the Chikrobemuno. CB women's capsules are beginning in every so.
Maya come see me that day munti. Me rapon ya no be fie.
Coming going. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man madam was say appeal for a bad time one more money for them of when in fear to me nunca home. Our pharmacist chemical herbal shops in name. And to 4 Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. After 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
So feel hey, you also
Hey,
Mr. and Mrs. The Mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church of the Muhusitamu here. Then we'll be on the Wabaka according to our church.
Hey, Pastor, if we say me kunu fa mermaid do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma dear CB women's capsules. What I know? Any job be free pa.
Praise God. CB men's capsules. A best time in enemy Jews from Yalia, and no banners now we can't never form no. And I ask ya, I am the Chikrobemuno. CB women's capsules are beginning in every so.
Maya come see me that day munti. Me rapon ya no be fie.
Coming going. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man madam was say appeal for a bad time one more money for them of when in fear to me nunca home. Our pharmacist chemical herbal shops in name. And to 4 Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. After 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
So feel hey, you also
Actually, I buy my MTN Ghana share some more share.
I'll make a me. Now, me here MTN Ghana shares there for you. Only a share. My Tommy MTN Ghana shares ni be what's it?
Love you. You have my playing MTN shares here.
Yo, Aboki. That's the MTN Ghana shares here now.
We've all bought our MTN Ghana shares.
So MTN Ghana shares and nay. Nenya Wochefa. I won't kunimdia air cost Ghana's #1 network. MTN Ghana share offer ye air bustle through 29th May. 1st July 2018. To MTN Ghana shares, our share be a boy 75 pesos pay. Ubetuma to shares here every 10. A year edu aircraw. Edu in a boy 7 cities 50 pesos.
Press star 170 hash. Na select the option 7. Na fast to talk with shares no ewo momo so. And now ube to me at online so ewo mtnGhanaShares.com. And now call MTN in Krapata Bia ewo manyimu. IC Securities Ghana Limited. And now banks are hudra ye ACC ho ewo manyimu. Licensed stockbrokers are omni Ghana Stock Exchange ye juma. Wubetumi ato MTN Ghana shares bi wo ho. Ana se wo pejumedie hu nkrata ni bia. Ehwa na ubenye bi wo.
Yesra wo kan krata no mu ye. Ana kope obi a wakwadare. Ewo shares dwumedie ni mu. Non kan mu nkyere wo ye ansa na wo de wo nsa ahya ase. Everywhere you go.
Mr. and Mrs. The Mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah.
The trust de who sit mu here. Na nwa bio ne obekwa akoro nyina atotwa.
Hey, Pastor, if we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules a. What try no? Enija befie pa.
Praise God, praise God.
CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpamu mreye. Ene me dwun so mu yale. Ene oba no so na ho kika ne wo fom no. Ene na yase a aya na ya ne ya na fichi krobe mu no. CB women's capsules abeyi ni nyina firi ne so.
Maya kamesi mi da de mu nti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nkwan.
CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man madam was say apefo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra woni mfie dumienu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. After 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadun so feel.
Hey, you also.
Hey, K. Na se na me ne utinti utimi bo metri modern say.
Oh, Debbie.
Inti sa niama pa wo Eileen mother care na odi asie mini. Na eye ma ho keka kura ne se. Wo efia pemfo koka mofra infisha du asia. Wo san ye wholesale and retailing. Me kodu Eileen mother care mani sutwa me say yira. Wo baby carriers, baby stand, baby wardrobe, baby phone tare asoroto. Wo tricycles, cotton bag impa wo di mofra so baby wo ho. Baby toys, baby coats, baby bags papa bia tang betimi de asiesie wo ho apie. Bedsheets papa bi, diapers ahoro and a baby foods. Ebema mofra na nyimproprom. Mo echi ne yira kwan. Wo mokola opposite UT Bank and a old white chap on Champe. Metropole Lane. Eileen Mother Care. Fra 0549 178 137.
Day no kure. We dey facha me. Na mama fa we nka ho. Na wa mbo me charge e wo ho nso. Eileen Mother Care. Sign was Sprinters Road. Pima filling station ho pe. Same wholesale price. And ayedema. Fra honom so e was 0561 349044.
Eileen Mother Care. Home of pregnant women and baby products. Adofo mo kwa ba biem do ba drum 106.3 FM, Cape 93.3 FM, OFM wo Boase 107.7. Nyinsen ni awo dwumadie na uguso awutie no wa drum 106.3. O share in Facebook live adrum 106.3 and who share in Facebook live media firma kwa tamaklo mene Dr. Felix Abaifa Bawo ya woye obstetrician gynecologist war Kolebu Teaching Hospital and then you ye di enkomo dog misa mo akwa babium na ye enkomo no ye say ayi obabia I was say o pesa o fafra no folic acid adentia.
Yes, no crazy say obabia say ideally no before before so for folic acid.
Babia.
Yes, obabia. Even elsewhere no obabia wo reproductive age I'm due to folic acid so now folic acid there and say it's basically for the baby because there was some condition between neural tube defect a defect and I say problem or more spinal cord more and I'm brain
baby no.
Yes akola no na say mami formula case folic acid timi omutenya neural tube defect no nti humbi answer obefa before Nyinsen and also even throughout the pregnancy before folic acid boama protein inclino from this spinal cord problem neural tube defect no.
Okay tina so baby before cry be feel no cry no
also for folic acid it usually baby or call fertility clinics be to folic acid so then event say onya Nyinsen na aboano.
Okay this all no folic acid na be prevent akra na free sa
spinal cord problem exactly. Yes
okay ntiane obi antie say you see yan shut down hospital so you call for preparation
yes.
Upon any near the bro when you send your so Wadum 106.3 dog yamra win somewhere. I also be a percent of or sickle you can say
sickle cell
and not sickle cell but other Yaruwa
Yes.
Sickling, so who Yarua who do be? I was say, oh, check here, no, so.
Yes, who here pass over check apart from. So we fight in doing this for folic acid no. Now so quite depending on fancy age or so be our 40 years for instance. If you test on be slightly different from be all 20 years or person of fair something like diabetes test for instance, and I say sugar check say will be already 40 years definitely before Nyinsen no doctor be test number because at that age no risks na very high. Will be at so 20 years 21 22 years or person fair no or no sana onye sa test man. Now usually say oko for this preconception care so waba or person fair now the can no be bon come be busa say one ka say bia wo yare bi wo mu deda wonim na so ni yare bia we are now wa examine na fi wa lab test am now test usually common the time ye say be check umuja dodo for no HB level so HB wo former say born na e basro and afi so you be your clean test maybe depending on your age maybe on be diabetes test am. And some instances we even check organs, say kidney test, liver test, you understand, to make those tests to make sure so we need Arabia. Now most important to me STIs. STIs is sexually transmitted infections, but they are infections which may transmit them and I say because of those infections any mono which me at my cry in screening for STIs for sexually transmitted infections, HIV test hepatitis, syphilis test and sometimes gonorrhea screening, not a chlamydia screening. So all these tests, then if there's a problem, or more so there's not a problem be anywhere. Then we thought preventive measures say test will be a BBI fine. It's saying it's be a STI for instance. So that's what it entails. And with all this, you can pick up any condition, disease be a war ni obanimu.
And then I say won't be here say free no crony in your name. Then so when you say any war radio reality show adaromenti yehunu say nay and I will be warrior fanning na account plans and home say yam one more say afechi and a mobile war from honing no Dr. Mayate say also call hospital na futuo ne de also yes preparation no Emma born baby no also ye both mother and a father Nina. Nyinsen ni Awoo and Chaya be phone lines no. Emre no kwa na ekonti am phone lines near 0302 216561 0302 216561 and 62. Your pese ubisa efa onso preparation person of fefro no doctor ewa ha na wayi ano e de amount game abizan komono ya de banawie ya bet obi betimi ewo condition bi mu a no so person of fefra e bi e wo se oye bibi ana sese e bi obi o ha no wo no a wo ne won se wo problem bi a yare bi no ni ade na so person of fefru tie no so
yes also in those situations oba it gets to a point that a culture says because of this problem that you have Nyinsen ebe how and I say ebe ha akwala no so ubusa question about psychological counseling this point also very important so be cancel man what I say because of this problem I want to know Nyinsen ebe more problems be brave and now so mpo say akwala na obe Nyinsen no be obenya problem to say obi oba or heart failure for instance na come no be a honden so na Nyinsen so ohunsu doso nti ebema a lot of pressure on the heart nti na say be a oba na or heart failure na any world control that with me advice you so at this time no it's not advisable so when you say Nyinsen ublozi kakra ni na yensuo ti akwana entimi handle
no me twa no ba yenya yemfrefo di kan odo yemo akwa ba emo adwodo oba Nyinsen ni Awoo so din ni ba bia ofre yemfi emse wa free ahoma no so yemo akwa ba do oba Nyinsen ni Awoo so din ni ba bia ofre yemfi aya some dog ukwe Facebook live ayenua B man also pese ohunu ne ba 1.5 year woni hwe no fo nko ena onum ede na emane basa o makọ hospital twice improvement bia ma ansa na ebe yi ano menye ofoforo wo awoma no so do yam ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so udini baby a ofre ye mfi mepa cho lowa o radio no ma ye pa low radio no kra na wo ta afre de bia so ya so den lo no ye koso
Pacho ya fama na mo katuba shama ofshata Pacho pada me bisa doctor no de aba zentana so fanyin sanwa kafa chena na ofanu wadi demana ida cerebral palsy aba zene no this bana
Yada se honorable so so afraid yada se dog be ya no de amount ofofro so aba ahoma no eso obia emmaye ofofro wa ahoma no so do yam ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so din ni baby afraid yemfi
me pacho yeseni na me first tema me pacho me da mo si papa o program ni e boa me pa na me pese me bi chese everyone now name says the more cancer first time of pregnancy apart from vomiting and maybe eating and all that. What are the other signs I would say? When Shirley say they are now name say there is something like that.
Okay, yeah, dog be ya no de amount 0302216561 of François Ba humano so do yamwajo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so ahumano ate edeko dog yenyi honorable de no ano
yes honorable busa is ashaman cerebral palsy yes no busa den ma cerebral palsy eba usually cerebral palsy no